this is my first how-to video. We got this Mamaroo swing for our baby to try and see if it can help him fall asleep or give us some much-needed arm rest. This is the unboxing. First part of the box was pretty difficult to get undone, so you might need a knife or something to take that off. There's a lot of glue in that part. Alright. There's all the pieces. Make sure that's all on camera. Yep. Alright. So here's a little booklet. I'm probably going to be looking at that most of the time. We've got the little main arm pieces. It's kind of like an IKEA project. Download the 4Moms app. Okay, so make sure we scan the QR code for that. Here's the little cloth pieces. And this is the nice little dangly part that gets the baby's attention and entertains him a little bit. Right here, I don't know what that piece is, so I'm going to start looking at the booklet. So I like to lay out all my pieces first, just to see what I got. Have it all out and open. AC adapter. Alright, let's get these phone guys out of here. See how easy this is to put together. Okay. Blue up on the back of. Okay. What is blue up? Okay. It says on the back we pull this guy up. Okay. That was easy. Then we take this main big piece and slide it on in. It says we slide it all the way through. Looks like it's okay. There we go. I'm not sure how far we slide it through, so I'm just going to wait till the next. Then it says we push this down after it goes all the way through. Let's take some of this stuff off. So then we take this gadget and we put it at the end of that until it clicks. I think it needs to slide in a little bit more. There we go. Now we take these nice two. This looks pretty easy. Not too bad at all. IKEA needs to take a lesson from these guys. So it looks like the zipper goes on top. Actually, it doesn't even show in the picture where the zipper goes, but I think from the picture that I saw, the zipper goes on top. So I don't know if you can see that, but snap that in, snap that in. Oh, this is easy. It's gonna be a short video. I might not even need to edit this. Well, that's cool. Okay. I'm gonna do this plug. So that's it. So just stick that part in. Not sure how that hangs over the side. All right, I'm just gonna look at the directions. So then it says to open up the package that has the cloth in it, take the cloth out. I'm going to reposition this so you can see. adjust the camera to where it's zoomed into the actual whole thing. Okay. Looking at this guy. The reviews online said that it felt very plasticky on this outside. This actually feels pretty good. I think our son will like it the way it is, but we'll probably put some more blankets and stuff on it. Alright, so this is the bottom. Buckles on bottom. That over. And what is that piece? There's another piece I'm not seeing. Okay, I see that piece on here, so it's probably just part of. Here's this little blue piece. It looks like a separate piece, but I guess it's actually part of this main big piece. Put that there. It says you fold it over. Snaps onto the other side. Looks like it's just one snap on the bottom, one snap on the top, and then you zip it up. Where's the zipper? There it is. So how does that zipper go on? Okay, so it's saying the zipper's at the top, so I need to bring that to the top. You know, it might actually be helpful to watch this video before doing it, because then you won't have to figure this other stuff out. So that starts from the top, but the zippers just go on. Oh, so these have to be lined up. Okay, probably want to unbutton that first to line up these zippers, which in the directions, oh, it does actually say to snap it second. So following the directions helps when you follow them in order. You might want to try that if that's not a habit you're really into. Grip. This last part's kind of difficult. There we go. And then before you snap it, do the same thing on the other side. Zipper all the way up. Ooh, this gets tight. Ooh, yeah, that's nice and snug. So actually, you know what? Probably just want to unsnap both sides, like it says in the directions. I like to jump ahead and do things too quickly sometimes. Sometimes doing things too quickly actually makes things take longer. There we go. Ooh, that looks comfy. I think our son fell asleep already, but this definitely feels like something he can get used to. And then this guy goes on. Okay, so the straps for the actual seat go in through the back. There's these two little holes, these little slits here. And you stick those through. Like that. Stick this one through. Like that. That's kind of weird. That's not something I'm used to. But that'll probably work. And next, to use, place baby. Okay, so it says place baby. You want to only place the baby in it when it's already buckled. It's not recommending that you buckle him afterwards. So I guess get it to the right tightness you think your baby is, or just make it extra loose. Okay, so the recline feature is talking about, if you look on the back, once you pull this up, you can slide this to whatever height you want. I think our baby's probably gonna like it more, like right about there. There we go. That's pretty cool. Didn't say anything about this guy yet. I'm sure we're coming to that. I see the spot for it, but every time I put it in, it is to the side instead of directly above. So these are all the directions on the how to use it, which that'll be in a different video. That'll make this one a lot longer. So yeah, there it is. I'm going to plug it in and stay tuned for the next video.